everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica, and I don't know if you can see the screen or not because I'm recording on my webcam, but I got a new Calico critter family today, and I got them on sale for like $14.99 on Amazon over the weekend. I thought they were really cute. These are the little caramel doggies, which I guess they're like kind of like Pomeranians. I mean, like, they are so cute. Like, this family comes with a mom and it comes with a baby, which could be a girl or a boy, which is nice. You can't really see. And then you got the little sister, and then you got the daddy. I mean, like, they are so flipping cute. So I'm so glad that I can add these into my Calico critter collection. It makes me so happy. And I have 2 more Calico critters coming, so I'll show you those sometime in the future. But anyways, as of right now, these are the new ones that I got to the addition of my Calico critter collection. I love them. I think they're so adorable. I love the detail in the dress. Like, it's giving me kind of like a Dutchy vibe, you know, kind of like they need to like live in a village or something. I mean, like, they could do more with the baby clothes, but that's fine because, hey, follow me on Etsy and you can find some really cute clothes for Calico critters. And I'm going to be starting to bring in clothes for the little babies because I know it's like really hard to like dress them because they really don't have very many option choices for these little figures. And I'm going to even bring in some more little outfits for them and the dads too. So yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and turn them around so you can come here, daddy. Let's get you out. Let's get you out. Does the baby have a tail? The baby does not have a tail. Come here. Come here. Come to me. Okay. The baby does not have a tail, which is like adorable that it doesn't have a tail. Does the little one have a tail? She does have a tail, and it's so tiny and cute. And then the daddy's and the mommy has big bushy tails. But that is it. I'm sorry that if the footage is like so bad and stuff, it's because I'm laying in bed, my back hurts, and I'm recording this with my webcam, so no telling what you're seeing over here. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And if you haven't already, yes, Calico critters have stole my heart and my bank account because they're affordable on Amazon and sometimes on Mercari. So it's nice to have these little figures because they don't take up a lot of space, which is nice. But I'm going to be bringing back the crafts soon, probably in August, because I'm going to be busy in July. I'm going to be busy doing things. So I don't think I'll have time to make videos in July. But if I do, I do. If not, then I'll see you in August. Muffin's asleep. I would make her be on camera, but she's asleep. So I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.